evening to everyone. It's me, Zhaneth again. Welcome back to my channel. This evening, I would like to share to all of you how to make this simple necklace made of jade, a colorful jade. So, if you want to learn how to make this one, please join me until the project is done. This is our materials. We have a round beads. We have the square beads also. We have cloths, a yarn, a scissor, lighter. So before everything, I put the cloths first. We insert the yarn inside. And we make a square knot on it like that, and we use some lighter, approximate the yarn like that, just use shown to the video, and use the lighter to close it so that the yarn won't come out, yeah, and quite strong like that. So when you insert to the cloths, won't come out, so you pull out like that. So inserted already your yarn like that. So now we proceed to our round beads. We put it one by one. This not the size is not even. That you can see some of them is big, like this 4. So choose the small one for the very first time. You choose the small one and insert to your yarn. And take note, if you want your beads once your yarn tear off, if you don't like to your beads running around when the yarn is tore off, you put a square knot in every beads. Just the technique of this one, yeah. But this type of necklace, I do want to put some square knot because this yarn a little bit high or big, so it's not easily to be broken. So just we continue find the small first from the bottom like that, yeah. Just continue putting our beads one by one. So just continue until our project is done. It's very easy because you just put inside, never put the square knot. So it's very easy. It's very easy to make. Already done. And we proceed this one. Always before you make the project, you figure out first how you make it, yeah. So I would like to put this one is triangle like that. So the whole of this one is from the bottom to top or top to the bottom like that. Slanting, the whole is slanting like that. The whole is slanting. There you can see. See, just follow the where the holes going through. This one I insert the yarn from bottom to top. See that you can see. From bottom to top. So that's the style. Like that. continue our work. The design is coming out. The design is coming out already. See? Put some patience. One more. This is the design. This is the design outcome. Both sides you can see the pattern. Yeah. So we continue to the other side. Keep putting the beads until we done. This one is very easy because you just insert the yarn like that. I choose green color because our beads have a green color. Also, you can put the pink one if you have yarn, a pink color. You can use also that one, but I have my green, so I use my green color yarn. Now, all the beads is inserted already. Yeah. You can see already. And the last things is we put the other half of our clutch. This type of necklace, don't too tight your yarn, and don't too loose also. No, not very loose and not very tight. Yeah. So I'm using this type of clutch. Now just insert it like that. We use our needle. That's that I always say to you, if you want your square knot sit properly or fix properly. Yeah, we use the needle like that, inserted to the square knot like that. That you can see, I inserted my needle. This is a little bit big needle, so that the square knot is fixed properly to the very tip of your clutch or beads. This is the purpose of this needle, to help the square knot to just very tip of your project like that. That you can see. See, the square knot is just very tip of your yarn. This is the project. Is so nice. Very colorful. So to those people want to make this one is can buy to the bead shop. Yeah. So this type is easy to make, and yeah, very colorful. That's nice. As simple as that. But to be honest, when you go buy outside, as simple as that, the ready one is a little bit expensive than you make and design by yourself. Yeah. So I always say that if you don't want to ruin your budget, but you want a passion, you want a necklace for your passion, designed by ourselves so that we can save. Hope you enjoy to my video, and if you have any comment regarding about this one, please comment down below. I answer as I can. Now our project is done. Hope you enjoy to my video. If you have any question regarding about this one, please comment down below. I answer as I can. Good evening to everyone.